Unstructured is making waves as a document processing platform tailored for AI applications. But does it live up to the hype? Today, we're diving into its features and performance to see if it's truly worth your time and investment. Unstructured positions itself as a robust solution for processing and managing documents, aiming to streamline workflows for businesses that rely heavily on data extraction and document analysis. The platform is designed to cater to AI developers and data scientists, providing tools that simplify the integration of document processing into various applications. What stands out is its user-friendly interface, which seems to prioritize ease of use for both tech-savvy users and those less familiar with AI. However, while the core functionality is solid, there are aspects that feel a bit vague. For instance, details on how it handles specific document types or complex layouts are not thoroughly explained. The intended audience includes businesses looking to automate their document workflows, but I can't shake the feeling there's a lack of clarity on how well it adapts to unique use cases. Overall, the platform seems promising, but it leaves some questions unanswered about its versatility in practical applications. So, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Unstructured's intuitive design makes it accessible for users at various skill levels, which is a big win. The potential for automating tedious document tasks can save businesses time and resources. However, there are downsides. One major concern is the lack of detailed information on its performance with diverse document formats. Users looking for robust support might find this frustrating. Additionally, the pricing model isn't very transparent, which could deter potential customers who want to know upfront what they're getting into. While it seems like a good fit for businesses aiming to boost efficiency, those with specific or complex document needs might want to explore other options before committing. In conclusion, Unstructured has a lot to offer for those looking to streamline document processing in their AI projects, but it's essential to weigh its limitations. If you're a casual user or a small business, it might be worth a try. However, enterprises with complex needs may want to look elsewhere for a more tailored solution.